Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your retirement savings with Rowe Price, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering your retirement savings with Rowe Price, visit the Rowe Price website. Once there, look for the login button at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click on Create an account and follow the prompts to set one up. Ensure you have your account information handy for the registration process. After logging in, navigate to the Retirement section on the dashboard. This section provides valuable resources and tools specifically designed for retirement savers. Review the various options available for retirement accounts. You may want to explore the retirement planning area for guides and calculators. Next, evaluate your current investment allocations. Identify any underperforming assets or funds that may need adjustment. Consider setting up an appointment with a Rowe Price financial advisor. Advisors can help tailor a recovery plan suited to your specific needs. They will analyze your portfolio and suggest strategies to enhance growth potential. If you're comfortable making changes on your own, begin by reallocating your investments. Diversification can help mitigate risks associated with market fluctuations. Take advantage of educational content on the Rowe Price site. Webinars and articles can provide insights into effective investment strategies. Set realistic recovery goals based on your timeline and risk tolerance. Monitor your progress regularly through your account dashboard. Adjust your strategy as needed based on market conditions and personal circumstances. Consider automating contributions to your retirement account. Consistent contributions can help rebuild your savings over time. Lastly, stay informed on market trends and adjust your investments accordingly. This proactive approach can significantly enhance your retirement recovery efforts with Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.